Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on the costs and benefits of the Brevo trial version. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. The trial version of Brevo is completely free and offers a range of features to help you get started with your email marketing campaigns. There are no hidden costs or limitations during the trial period. You can send emails to an unlimited number of subscribers, with a daily limit of up to 300 emails, which is sufficient for most small businesses or individuals. Additionally, you'll have access to all of Brevo's essential features, including the email builder, automation, segmentation, and analytics. The Brevo support team is available to assist you with any questions or issues you may encounter during the trial period. No credit card information is required to sign up for the trial. Once your trial period ends, you can choose to upgrade to a paid plan if you find Brevo's features and services valuable. Brevo offers a variety of paid plans to suit different needs and budgets. Overall, the trial version of Brevo is a great way to test out the platform and see if it's a good fit for your email marketing needs. With no upfront costs and access to all core features, there's no risk in giving it a try. I'm also offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generate over $80,000 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thanks for watching.